At the University of Central Florida, where innovation drives impact, future-shaping breakthroughs are around the corner. This visionary initiative by the School of Global Health Management and Informatics has become a hub where students and faculty team up on researching real-world solutions. From designing AI tools that assess completeness of electronic health records to predicting lifestyle-related diseases through advanced pattern recognition, every project here is bringing us closer to improving global health care and saving lives by preventing a crisis before it can ever happen. Welcome to the Center for Decision Support Systems and Informatics. Founded and led by Professor Raj Gurupur, the Center is revolutionizing decision support sciences by developing new algorithms, techniques, and tools that push the boundaries of what's possible in information technology and healthcare.
Think about your car for a second. You know how newer cars can tell you when something is wrong, or even when something might go wrong if you don't take action. That's the kind of thinking we are applying to the human body. We're collaborating with other colleges to build digital AI systems that work like a mechanic for your health, spotting potential issues before symptoms even show up, and helping doctors and caregivers respond before things get serious. And when it comes to wearable technology, especially for elderly or handicapped individuals, our AI and predictive models are designed to detect early warning signs like the risk of a fall. This gives families the preventative opportunity to step in before an emergency ever arrives.
These are just a few of the groundbreaking projects and real-world challenges that students and faculty at the center are tackling head-on. And once you're inside, it's clear this isn't just a lab, it's a launchpad for tomorrow's innovators. Sanket, a postdoctoral scholar, is using machine learning to detect oral cancer and Alzheimer's-related sleep disorders. Tuk, an undergraduate, is helping institutions avoid costly lawsuits by analyzing misdiagnosis records with AI. And Mahi is revolutionizing smart wearables that don't just track, they warn.
Teledentistry can use the machine learning models that we have built to reduce the cost for the treatment for the patients who are suffering from oral cancer.
Using artificial intelligence to analyze these claims allows us to convert unstructured data into structured data. That matters because this data makes it easier for researchers and insurance policymakers to further refine their policies.
I see my research making a difference in people's life by helping them improve their health, especially when there's a hospital not nearby and they can't get to the hospital on time. The smart wearable can help get the help they need.
Trusted by leaders like Cyrus MD and Parker Health, the team is modernizing healthcare from the inside out by applying sentiment analysis, standardizing ID systems, and transforming how doctors are trained through immersive telehealth tools. These are tangible innovations that include several patents that are already shaping the future of care.
One of our patents focuses on chronic illness management by measuring how incomplete a patient's health records are, which is a critical factor when doctors have to make decisions with limited information. Another helps identify patients at risk for being readmitted for heart failure, giving doctors a chance to intervene early and prevent it altogether. One of our patents was actually the first of its kind to measure gaps in electronic health records, something often overlooked but essential for improving care. These aren't just technical wins, they're practical tools that can reduce medical errors, improve patient outcomes, and save healthcare systems both time and money.
Here at the center, students aren't just waiting for the future, they're building it shoulder to shoulder with mentors, researchers, and partners who believe big in what's possible.
It's this kind of interdisciplinary research that is fueling innovation and accelerating the launch of new technologies that shape the future of these fields. We love seeing how the students get inspired. They start exploring, asking questions, and as they begin to push things forward, their research draws attention from industry healthcare partners and creates opportunities to team up and make even more impactful breakthroughs together.
After I joined the center, I gained new insight on what kind of difference I could make by working with healthcare and artificial intelligence.
if I still continue on the smart wearables research, I can see like helping a lot of people. I think it can go really far in the industry.
Anybody who is interested in using an applied knowledge of technology, engineering, mathematics in healthcare, then you're most welcome.
The Center for Decision Support Systems and Informatics is a beacon for what's possible when academia and industry unite. Together, we're shaping the future of education and healthcare, one breakthrough at a time. And as always, go Knights!
Charge on!